Welcome back to my greenhouse and my garden. It's late September, it's getting cold outside. It's supposed to freeze tonight, so we've got to get that stuff out of the garden. And I'm really excited because my 5 great grandkids are going to be here to help me. We're also going to go in the greenhouse and check out how our fall crops are coming along. You might remember the last video we did, we planted some carrots and some other plants in there that we can eat through the fall and winter. So we're going to check those out with the kids. They planted them, so they're excited to see how they're doing. So let's meet the great grandkids. So these are my 5 great grandkids. They're handsome and beautiful. Anyway, they're going to help me today. So guys, this is what we're going to do. It's going to freeze tonight. So we're going to have to take the tomatoes out and the cucumbers and cover up some of the other plants, and we're going to pick the tomatoes in the greenhouse and take a look at the plants that Jaden and Zai planted for our fall crop. So are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
What is that?
This is a cucumber, and they grow on these vines right here. So your job is to go in there and take them and twist them off and pull them and put them in the bucket, okay? So now, see these vines?
Yeah.
They're still alive, so try not to step on them too much, okay? Watch where you put your feet. So Jasper, I'm going to have you go on that side and look. Start right here and look, and then wait. Okay, and Zai, you go on this side, okay? So you're going to find all these and put them in the bucket. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We'll just put them right here. Okay, there's one right there. Okay, Jasper, go look. Go find one. There's right there.
What?
Go find them.
I got spiky
Here.
them?
Yeah, just put it right in there.
Put it in there?
Put it right in there.
Okay.
Okay, Jasper.
Ow.
You see that right there? There, go get it. Go get it. You're working down this way.
I got it.
Okay, put it in there. So they're kind of soft, so you can break them real easy. So don't throw them in there. So do you think you know how many seeds are in here? This tomato might have 30 seeds in it, or it might have 200 seeds in it. But if you take a little bitty tomato, they're almost all seeds. So if you had this tomato, you could take the seeds out of it and go grow 200 tomato plants, just like this one, just from this one tomato. Pretty amazing, huh? Okay, we'll do some seed saving later. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to put it gently in there. And you're going to pick all of the tomatoes that
Are red?
Yes. Now if they're just partial yellow like that, you can leave them, but if they're all red, pick them. So all these would stay except for that one. Okay? Go ahead and put it in there.
Look how many I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So you can see the plants are dying. It's going to freeze tonight, so we have to get all the tomatoes out of here. And let me borrow your scissors, please. So what I want you to do is I want you to cut the tomatoes off. Leave a little bit of stem on there, and then gently put them in there. Now we're going to keep the green ones separate from the ones that are starting to ripe. So I'll have to go get you another tub. But if you see any clamps like this, you can take these clamps off if they're in your way. You just push down like that and pull them apart, like that. And you can just throw those in the tub too, okay? So why don't you start right back there, and you start on this side back there, okay? And I'll go get you another tub.
What are we going to do with them? What are we going to do with these?
Well, I think we're going to eat some of them, and then we're going to take some to the food bank, so we can give them to people that don't have enough food. How's that sound?
Yeah!
All right, don't drop them. Put them back in there.
Might be.
Put them down. So what do you think we ought to do with these tomatoes?
We can keep some and then we can keep some, but we can put
Good idea. Don't be afraid of hurting the plant because the plants are going to be dead. Beautiful. Okay, get out of the way so Jasper can get his. Okay, eat it up. Eat it up, boys. Is that good or what?
I'm gonna eat the baby one.
Go ahead.
Okay. It's good for you?
You betcha.
Okay. I guess it's two styles. What do I do? What do I do?
We want to get these trellises out of the way because we're going to tie up the tomatoes inside of the greenhouse. So first thing, go get them, and I'll cut some of these while you're moving those and come back, and then you can start putting the squash inside of that wheelbarrow. All right, everybody smiling? You guys are such good help. All right, thanks. Okay, that's heavy. Go get that one.
Okay.
That one.
I carry big ones.
Okay,
I
you're.
can carry big ones too.
I know you're both very strong.
Yeah, I'm strong too.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
That squash, we're gonna eat that in soup and for breakfast and dinner.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Come on, stack it up there.
Okay.
Jasper, get it.
I found one.
Okay, that's it. You got them all, didn't you?
Yep. Got them all. Look at this pile.
What is that?
Broccoli. Broccoli. I like broccoli. It's good to eat. Ow. Oh no, no, my hand. Oh, I can go this way. Okay.
Oh wow, that's a big one. Okay, get a couple more out of here, out in the middle.
Oh! Oh! I got one.
There you go.
Oh! Whoa! Look it.
So this is potatoes and carrots, things out of the garden. How was the food, guys? Thank you guys for the help.
You're welcome.
All right. See you later.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Peanut.
Bye. Love you.
Love you.
That was really fun. It was great to see the kids get their hands dirty and work together. They did a great job. So So there's a couple of things you may have noticed during the video. One for sure was the tomatoes, how all the tomatoes were at the bottom, even though we had tied them up on these trellises. Well, the reason for that is those were voluntary plants, and I've been gone a lot and I just neglected them. So when I did tie them up, the tomatoes were already growing on those vines at the bottom. So if you want to take good care of tomatoes, do this first. Get them tied up, give them a little bit of a haircut, cut some of those fan leaves off so they can get more sun and air. And they'll do a lot better, and you'll get tomatoes all the way up to the top, and they'll just keep growing. So lesson learned, I should probably pay a little more attention to that in the future. The squash definitely isn't ripe. The way to check that is you put your thumbnail in and it leaves a little indent right there. You can see that it needs to be hard, and then it'd be ripe to eat. We're going to take these to the food bank and to some friends and family that want to eat them through the winter. We'll keep them stored in our root cellar. They do real well back there most of the winter. So thanks for watching all the way through this. I know the video can get a little bit long, but I love sharing my great-grandkids with you and our family. And I would encourage you to grow something, even if it's in a pot at home, and share that with your family. Show them how to plant the seeds and what happens after that and the fruit of their labor. Show them that the food doesn't come from the grocery store. The food comes from the ground, from farmers and gardeners like you that grow their own food, or at least grow something. Let me encourage you to keep doing that, do a good job, and share that with people around you. It's a lot of fun, and there's nothing healthier than eating your own food out of good soil. So until next time, I appreciate you subscribing and liking our channel. Leave some comments below if you'd like, and be blessed, and go grow something. Not just plants, but good short people.